Mission complete. It's cold outside.
It is, though.
Let's hit the road.
Well, day 2. This is what Kansas looks like. Absolutely nothing. Here we go.
The Oasis.
So we're in Goodland, Kansas. Again, I went to a Holiday Inn, asked the lady, what's there to do here? This is it. It's a Van Gogh painting, and it's really big. That's it. Welcome to Goodland.
Yeah. Smells like the Midwest out here.
We are still on I-70, Interstate 70. Been looking at stuff to do on the way, but there's really nothing. So we are probably just gonna head straight to Denver. But if we do something, you'll know it. All right, guys. So we have crossed over into Colorado.
Here we go.
We're about to head up into the mountains pretty soon. Well, I guess actually we're heading to Denver first, so we should probably spend a day or two there. I put a question out on Facebook, what is your favorite thing to do? So we have a lot to research and see. Put yours down below as well. We're gonna have one more stop to charge up before we get to Denver. We're gonna make some food. And the sun's actually out now. Hit the supercharger, just filled up. We're just finishing making some lunch out here. Got some chicken going. I think it's about done, so we're gonna pack it up, hit the road.
With my fat ass.
Alright guys, got my bag, my supplements, and here we are at the YMCA in this nice ass neighborhood in this brand new YMCA. I've been driving forever. I'm gonna definitely get a good workout in. Yo, look at this. I just found Shangri-La, my new home. This is beautiful. It's beautiful. Best YMCA in the world, Aurora, Colorado. Listen, doing hard training today. I'm hurting already. One arm chin-up training. Almost there. Mobility training. We're gonna jump in the pool, hot tub, have a shower. It's amazing, guys. First step. We just found the freaky YMCA sex dungeon. Look at this.
Yeah, boy.
You get tied in here. Got your little tassels. Yummy. Bro, look at this. Look at these lockers have locks on them. What is this? Ridiculous. They're fucking showers, man. This is ridiculous. It's crazy, man. Yeah. Nicest YMCA in the world. Look at that. Look how nice that is. Where are we this time? Meadows Mall. The Centennial District. All right, let's do this. Let's go check this out. So I'm not a big shopaholic, as you may or may not know. I would like some coffee, so let's go see if we can find some coffee. Pretty cool stuff. The autopilot, the one you can purchase and upgrade to, has a cool summon feature. You can call your car to you. It's just really cool stuff, man. And the car is always upgrading, so you can always get new features. So we're really trying to save money on the trip. Go to a Dollar Tree. Everything in the Dollar Tree is $1, and they do have groceries. We've got a frozen food section. Everything's $1 in the store. So just a bit of advice: save some money. Why not? You know. Picking up some cleaning supplies and some canned food. Just when we stop, we're gonna grab, you know, food.
He ain't ready. He's lucky they ain't got Rogue in this baby. First Step Travelers, y'all better be following.